Everyone, welcome to our Soul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is the reading for the month of June 2021. Love, career, relationship and situationship reading overall. Okay. So yeah, stay till the end. Okay, guys, if you want to enroll for one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. This is the reading for the zodiac sign Aries. Okay, and all the details, vastu details and candle work remedy, everything, all types of readings and the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see what's the situationship reading I'm telling for Aries. Like, what's going on with Aries in the month of June? Lot of stress is going on, Aries. Lot of stress, tensions, problems. You feel that you are compromising in something, or you need to compromise in the month of June related to something. You are gaining a lot of maturity related to a situation, understanding, you're growing every single day. You're understanding a lot about yourself and the people around you, which is very good. Okay, you always think about how you have grown up in life. Okay, yes, you are being silent enough and go with the flow type of a person. You are just right now in the month of June, you'll be silent and you'll just go with the flow. You feel that you are carrying a lot of burdens related to long-term relationships or situationships. Okay, and you need to release it. Burden about the people around you, burden about the family, tensions about the business, career. It can be anything. It's a situationship reading, so it may resonate with career or relationship. Okay, you feel that you are suppressing your emotions. You're not talking about it much in the month of June. You are sad because something is not going on according to you. Okay, and a wish is not getting fulfilled, and you are getting different kind of dreams. You're getting random and weird dreams actually. Okay, which you are unable to understand why you're getting it. So that's the thing. Okay, I'm just seeing that what's happening. Like, let me fix it first. Okay, yeah. Okay, this situation is either related to career or relationship, guys. You are going through some major higher vibrational spirituality you are going through. Okay, and that's why you're raising your vibration high. You feel that traveling, relocating, shifting has been blocked right now. Okay, you want certain changes in your life which is not happening right now, and that's why you are feeling bad about it. You want some changes in your life which is not happening. That's the problem. Okay, you're concerned about money, doubling the income, earning passive income from 360-degree. So you're really concerned about it. Okay, and there is a wish fulfillment which you want to happen. It is going to happen either within a week or else within a year. Your wish is going to get completed soon. Okay, yes, you are being very courageous at this time. Okay, you're spending time, you may be spending time with animals, or tracking, traveling, or thinking about to travel, or thinking about spending time somewhere near organic, natural life. Okay, yes, I think there is a girl or a person or a boy. I think there is a person in your life, and I think you are in a separation with that person and you want reconciliation. This is only for few of you. For others of you, you need celebration related to family life. You think that you want to celebrate with your family again, and you want to travel to back to your family. That is what you are thinking. Okay, which is traveling has been blocked due to pandemic, and that's why you are unable to travel. That's why you're thinking about your family members, your family people, you are thinking about to spend time with them. Okay, yes, if you are starting something new related to partnership, it will not happen right now because the changes are being blocked right now. Okay, but you, if you are wishing or willing to start in partnership related to money, that will start within next 1 to 3 months. Okay, like between 1 to 3 months, you will get an offer. Okay, within next let's say within a year, if you are starting something related to partnership, that partnership will grow. Okay, and it will be money related. Okay, and your wish whatever is there, it has been blocked right now because of the situation. Okay, yeah, like it is not happening right now because maybe a partner or a person you are thinking about, and you are in separation with your partner. Okay, and that wish is not getting fulfilled. Okay, guys, I just need to tell you that you are dealing with a twin flame connection or a spiritual connection. Two people are in separation, less or no communication, not talking much, or overseas. There is a problem going on into your married life. You are already married and are in separation. This is for few of you. Okay, there are few people who are already married but in separation, and things are not going on right, and your partner might be living separated from you right now, maybe same city, same place, same country, or overseas. Okay, so yeah, you both are at a distance. Okay, either mentally or physically. Okay, yeah. You think that this is not the time to overthink now. You need action. You need to do something related to this. Okay, like you just cannot sit and you just cannot just think about it. You need to do some action. Okay, spiritual awakening is going on. Your third eye chakra is going on. Opening your third eye chakra is opening. You're gaining a lot of clarity related to this partnership or relationship. Okay, but you cannot take an action right now because that action has been blocked by the universe, because your healing is not completed, your spiritual awakening is not completed yet. Okay, and that's why things are not working out into your favor. Okay, and your family life is really bad right now because you want happily ever after, but because since your partner is in separation, then things are not going on right. Unhappiness is there, major unhappiness is there in your family life. Let's see what is your life purpose. Aries, you are going through some major spiritual awakening, 110%. Okay, your purpose is to bring divine healing, light and love in this world. Okay, so your spiritual awakening is not getting completed, and that's why this halt is there. That's why this divine timing is playing its role in your love life. Okay, for few of you who are married and in separation, or who are in a relationship but separated. Okay, you are questioning yourself a lot, Aries, about yourself, about why it happened, what it happened, when it happened, what's the reason, what's the purpose about it, why I am in separation with this person, or something like that. I need to tell you that answers is within yourself. Okay, you need to do meditation to find your own answers. Okay, God can just help you through dreams, but you need to heal yourself by yourself. Okay, yes, some of you might choose a career related to healing soon after your spiritual awakening gets completed. You have a spiritual gift of healing and a desire to share it with others. Some of you might be choosing a career related to healing, or meditating, or doing yoga, or it might be your profession as well. Okay, or some of you might be doing meditation, healing things on online classes, or or you might choose it in the future, your career related to this. Okay, so yeah, you are being very sensitive right now, Aries. Okay, you are becoming more sensitive and need to make a lot of changes accordingly. Wow, your connection to music is healing for yourself. Whenever you feel that you are going through some major panic attacks, or major tensions, you can listen to the music, because that will heal you in some way or the other. Or some of you might become a musician as well, or might be in the field of musician. Some of you might become a PhD holder, or might be a PhD holder, or may go for a higher education as well. Okay, related to studies. like you will gain a lot of clarity related to studies. You are being very strong right now. Everything you are experiencing in your life has made you strong and courageous. So your past is an experience of your today, okay, which is very good, guys. I'm proud of you. You're going through some major spiritual awakening. So if you are feeling bad, mood swings are happening, sleepless nights, anxiety issues are happening, trust me, you're going through some major spiritual awakening and healing process, okay? I just need to tell you that. Let's see what are your love cards are saying. Wow, make the effort. Universe is telling you to make an effort, but don't do it right now because your spiritual awakening is going on, but you need to do it in the upcoming months. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided for. You might need to take action related to your loved person, loved one in few months. Chemistry, there's a strong magnetic attraction here. Even though you are physically at distance, but energetically you are still connected with each other, and there is a definitely strong chemistry between you and your partner, okay? I'm very sure about it. Okay, some of you who are single, Aries, who are single or who are not married, okay, they might a new love might enter for them, okay, who are single or who are not married. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. Or if you are dating someone for so many years, Aries, or so many, recently if you started dating, so you might start having romantic feelings for that person, which is very good. Okay, so some of you who were in a toxic relationship, karmic relationship, you need to release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. Not everyone, again I'm telling you, people who are married and are in separation and are twin flame connection, those may not have to get separated. But people who are into karmic relationship and someone left you out in the cold, or you left someone out in the cold, then the time has come to clear your energy because a new love is entering in your life, okay? Yes, Aries, somewhere you know that this is the person you want to have, this is the person you want to spend time with, okay? You have already met the romantic partner of your that you seek. Some of you have already met your partner and you have that internal feeling and gut feeling, let's say. Yes, pay attention to the red flags. The signs are questioning you, like everywhere universe is poking you that don't go for this or do this, okay? So you are understanding what is going on. Flirt, extend your light-hearted energy to others. I think Aries, you are actually inbuilt, you have that flirting ability, or you're starting to learn that flirting ability with others, so it's good actually for you, okay? So yes, this was the reading for the month of June. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye, take care, guys.